Hello, my friends, it's Danny, and today I am sharing a beautiful, bright, delicious Mediterranean chickpea salad. Now, this salad is layered with garbanzo beans, avocado, feta cheese, and lots of fresh vegetables and herbs. It would be perfect for a barbecue or a cookout, and it also works really well for meal prep. You could easily make a big batch of this on the weekend and then have it as a head start ingredient ready to go for a busy week. So I'm going to start by making the salad dressing for this recipe, which is a lemon vinaigrette. Now, traditionally a vinaigrette is made 3 parts oil to 1 part acid, but personally I like a 1-to-1 ratio. It just makes for a lighter, brighter, more tart dressing, which I really enjoy. So into a small bowl or a mason jar, I'm going to combine a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup fresh squeezed lemon juice, a 1/2 teaspoon Dijon mustard, that's going to act as our emulsifier. Then I have 1 fat clove of crushed garlic and a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt along with a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You can whisk that up, or if you're doing this in a jar like I am, just pop on the lid and give it a good shake, and then we will set that aside until we're ready to dress our salad. Now, to get started with the salad, I'm going to start by draining out the chickpeas, which are also known as garbanzo beans, into a fine mesh strainer, and then we will give it a rinse under some cold water. That just helps to rinse off any excess sodium. Then I'm going to transfer those beans into a nice big bowl, and I'm adding in 1 English cucumber. Now remember, English cucumbers are the cucumbers that have this nice thin skin and they're seedless, so they have a great crunchy texture and they work really well in salads like this. I like to just trim off the ends, slice it in half lengthwise, come back across the other way so my cucumber is in quarters, and then I just come right down and create little bite-sized pieces. Then I have 2 cups of diced bell peppers. Now I love to use 2 different colors. I'm using yellow and orange. The more color, the more vibrancy, the more beautiful the salad, the more appealing it is. So of course you could use 1 color, but it is more fun with 2. And to cut my peppers, all I do is I like to slice off each side of the pepper. I like to call these the pepper cheeks, along with the bottom, and then take each cheek and slice it into strips. Come back across the other way and you've got a chopped pepper. Then I have a 1/2 cup of kalamata olives, and I like to slice these in half as well. These add a really rich, buttery texture to the salad. And then finally, a 1/2 cup of crumbled feta cheese. Now remember, whenever possible, you want to try to buy your feta in block form. It's going to have better flavor and better texture than if you were to buy it pre-crumbled, because it doesn't require any stabilizers or any anti-caking agents. And then for this salad, I also love adding a chopped avocado. There are a few things you want to keep in mind with the avocado though. You don't want an avocado that is super ripe because it's going to get really mushy in your salad. So you want an avocado that's still a little bit firm and just ripe. And also, if you don't plan on eating the salad right away, I would save the avocado, keep it on the side, and then chop it up and add it to your salad when you're ready to serve the salad. This way you don't run the risk of the avocado getting brown and mushy. And then finally, we're just going to finish the salad with some fresh chopped herbs. I have a couple tablespoons of chopped up mint, and a couple tablespoons of fresh chopped basil. You will see that fresh herbs will always elevate a dish. So if you want something to taste extra fabulous, add some fresh herbs. On the flip side, if you don't have the time or the desire to deal with the fresh herbs, just sub in 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. You could even do some dried mint or some dried basil, because that will still give you that same Mediterranean flair without the extra effort. Once I have everything in the bowl, I'm just going to take that dressing, give it 1 last shake, and then we're going to drizzle this right over the top and gently begin to mix it all together. You just want to have all of these veggies and the beans to have a nice light coating of that bright, light lemon vinaigrette. This salad is so bright and so fresh. I just love how all of the flavors and the textures come together. This is the perfect summer side salad. It's also great for lunch. You could chop up some hard-boiled eggs, add some tuna or some canned salmon for a really easy lunch idea. And as always, I'm super excited to see how you create this in your own kitchen. So do me a favor, if you enjoy recipes like this, take a moment to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. And if you know anybody else who wants to make healthy eating easy, please share this with them as well. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Danny Spees, and I'll see you back here next time with some more clean and deliciousness. Cheers! Garbanzo beans, feta cheese, boom. Or even a picnic. One more time, here we go. So we're gonna start, boom. So I'm gonna start by making the salad dressing. So I'm gonna start by making the salad dressing for this recipe, which is a